What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Resell back at it again with another video for y'all boys. Today in this video, I got an unboxing. Today turned out to be a package of Louis V bags. I ordered these bags from a new vendor. They are all the same style. They are the messenger bags for men with the black and gray checkerboard print all over them, and then they got the Louis Vuitton patch on them. But this is a screen recording. This is a voiceover over a screen recording. I don't know why the video is slight laggy, but this is me getting into that unboxing. I did order these for about 50 each. I'm gonna flip them for about 400 each. These are retail bags. Everything comes with all original packaging. The only thing missing is the retail box that the messenger bag comes in. This is missing because due to shipping, it would have costed more to get the box in. If you watch my past videos, you can see when I ordered Louis Vuitton purses, they came with the box specifically. But these did not come with the box strictly because I wanted to save on shipping costs, and so did my vendor, so did this vendor. So we agreed to not send the box, but it still comes with the receipts, the bag, the dust bag, and the store bags as well. But yeah, this is me getting into that package. It came nicely bubble wrapped, packed tightly. You can see the Louis bags, the store bags are wrapped around each messenger bag. So this vendor did a great job. I'm really satisfied with how this came out, and yeah, it was very acceptable as far as to my preferences. But getting into it here, you can see I got the envelope, I got the Louis V store bag. Yeah, everything's came packaged perfectly together. So I'm gonna sit all this to the side and unbox the bag for y'all right here. With my bag, we got the receipt first. Yeah, you got the LV receipt. One line receipt right there. And then the in-store pickup receipt joint. So got both verifications to show that it was purchased and picked up. And yeah. But getting into the bag finally, man. You got the dust bag, you got the Louis Vuitton dust bag. We finna unbox the shoulder bag right now. And here it is, packaged beautifully. It was upside down. This is the bag. This bag is stunning. The quality is amazing. You can see the stitching is flawless. The quality is flawless all around. You can see the zipper is real metal. You see how it hangs. Everything is perfect. The stitching all around is flawless. Even on the leather patch on the side. The magnetic pieces that are on the flap on the right side of the bag that you see right here with the logo, they're very, very strong. Like they're very, very, as you can see, I'm trying to lift it up and I was kind of struggling. So it's very, very good quality throughout the whole entire bag. Even the belt, the Louis Vuitton belt that sits around the shoulder was extremely heavy. So I know that this bag is a retail bag. And like I said, it comes with store receipts and everything. So I know that this vendor is a retail vendor, and I'm very satisfied with this new vendor that I've tried. Yeah, I was recommended this vendor by a couple of people from a Discord, and they all said that it was a real vendor, a retail vendor, and the product ended up checking out. So I'm going to continue to buy products from this vendor and continue to build a relationship with them and see, hopefully, come across more items, more brands, more designer items, accessories, clothes. Continue to reach out to more retail vendors because that's who I want to become partners with as far as for business. I want to get the store products, the retail store products. Everything should be original quality and original packaging. But this bag is beautiful. like I said previously, all three of these Louis Vuitton bags were the same exact bag, were the same exact style. This is the messenger bag, but yeah, it came packaged perfectly. You got receipts, store bag, and then the bag wrapped up in a dust bag. Everything's sealed and retail store package. I had to get into a little try on for y'all boy. Yeah, but this joint very drippy, very stylish bag, you know. I didn't really loosen the belt up as much, but could have gave it a little bit more length. But the bag sits perfectly. It looks like how it should. You feel me? It sits exactly how it should. So I am very happy with this purchase. Like I said, I do have 7 more on the way. So I'm very excited for these. I might end up keeping one for myself because I actually do like the bag. I also have Goyard bags on the way, and if I like the style of those bags, obviously I'm gonna do an unboxing and a review. If I like the style of those, then I'll also do that as well. But once again, like I said, the quality of these bags is retail store quality. So I am very interested in this product for myself personally, but I'm also very excited to sell these and make profit. Also, to put people on game, you know, I feel good about helping people and plugging people and giving people better deals and better prices. They're able to purchase more items that they desire and save money, and it really helps, especially when buying gifts for others and things like that. So yeah, like I said, I'm very excited to sell this product as well. These are pictures from my photo collage of me posting a listing on certain marketplaces and stuff like that. So as these bags get sold, I will keep you all updated and show you all the profits and the gains and stuff like that. But this was just an unboxing / review and a little try on for y'all. I know I really don't try stuff on often for y'all, but I'm about to as I get more into the unboxings. And the good thing about reselling is some of the product you can keep for yourself if it's left over. But that's pretty much it for the video. It's your boy Resell. I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.